they on the dock? They did come down for a second. Oh. They left again. Come on, you guys. Tap, tap, tap. I've only got 130. Should I shut her down and start again? It seems to like come like it's pushed out right off the bat. It's like really high. Can you see what I'm at? Or you're not on it? Are you checking? Okay. What do we got? 130. Okay, maybe I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna shut down, restart, and you guys better all come back. Okay? Because fish don't like country music. Is that so? Right, we've had 7,000 viewers. Okay, we're going 2 more minutes before I reset it. Maybe a little closer might end up on Wi-Fi. It might end up with feeling better. It is a beautiful morning, even if I'm not catching any fish. A-okay. Do I just let it, fill the shore water? Or should it blow us down further that way? Or do you want both? Well, it's fine if it blows us this way. It's okay. Thank you, George, for the wink wink. Thank you, John, for the hearts. Just kidding. They love country music. I know they do. Fish and I both love country music. I think they're just sleeping still. Maybe I'll throw another worm on. I think I did better when I had worms. Okay. Oh, you don't have a worm either? No. Oh, okay, let's see that then. Because we're gonna fish. So we might as well have worms. Good morning, Narzi. Hello. I'll just cut one in half and I'll give you the other half. Here. Here. When you guys tap, 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 like, share, follow. Whoops. Okay. I gotta go wash my hands because they are full of worms. Yuck. Okay, I'm gonna shut her down. Shut her down and restart. We're like sticking around 130. You guys, come back.
Go in there and get shorts. Look! I know, you need shorts so you're not wearing jeans outside. Look!
Riley.
I know, baby.
I need.
Go in there and
Need shorts.